Hurricanes and the Chiefs have developed a rich history in Super Rugby. Another chapter is about to be written here at Sky Stadium this evening. Now the ball goes for Mackenzie. Nana Saturo. Narawa, bit of space here. Narawa gets past one. Still going.
Oh, what a pass!
What a great pass. And the try scored by Final. Boy, what a start.
Holy moly. Wow, what a start for the Chiefs. The work of Imoni Narawa to stay alive, to beat defenders, and then when he had two on him, just to reach over the top nonchalantly and find Final. Incredible.
Nana Saturo playing back at fullback in the absence of Stevenson.
Play on, charge down.
Being charged down. Oh, it's all over the place here. Satiti lining it up for Jacobson. Hands it off for Ratama. They've done it again. Cortez Ratama.
You want to talk about a sensational start.
So I've got that as a charge down.
The Chiefs.
Now Perenara up for Walker Leaweri. Ball is there for Perenara. Larkai has a go himself. Larkai stretching, and Peter Larkai's in.
Back their process. And again, some of their big players in the last 2 to 3 minutes have really stepped up.
Hurricanes go short. And they'll just want to get this out. They'll do that all right. Well, what a first half that has been. The second semi-final, and at halftime at Sky Stadium, it's the Chiefs leading the Hurricanes by 17-7. Ratama again.
Gold offside.
And a penalty offside against the Hurricanes.
Advantage offside, goal.
Conceding a few early penalties. Nana Saturo again, little jab through. And tidied up by Proctor. But penalty given. So Mackenzie pretty much out in front here, lifts it up, and that's a lovely kick again. Amur throws for Walker Leaweri. Larkai for Perenara. Barrett turns it on the inside for Morgan.
Advantage.
Penalty advantage coming the Hurricanes' way this time though. And off goes Cameron.
Just want to put that on the screen, Brett.
Is it high?
Yeah, there is a wrap, but there's significant force, boys.
Yeah, 7. Okay, sorry, yellow card.
Cameron, Rayasi, Proctor. To the 22 goes Billy Proctor. Now Rayasi goes again. Pops it for Walker Leaweri. Offloading to Cameron. And Brett Cameron gets the try.
Here they come. Here they come. Just much better in their shape.
Looking to convert his own try. Brett Cameron. And yes. Larkai pops it up for Cameron.
Play on.
Oh, here we go.
Here's Satiti. Now has he got the speed? Chased by Flanders. Great tackle. Hurricanes looking to get over the top of it.
Advantage.
It's coming wide, and the try is scored by Daniel Rona.
Wallace Satiti. Yes, Daniel Rona as well. What a chase back as well from Flanders. What are we witnessing this afternoon?
Look, come straight over. 5, be careful, be careful.
Love waits for it. Takes it down right near halfway. And the penalty goes the way of the Chiefs. Right, so Damien Mackenzie, big kick. And what a beauty. What a great kick by Mackenzie. Wide it goes for Perenara. Out and out it. Love. And Billy Proctor for the corner.
Why not?
And they'll boot it into touch.
Leave it go. No.
And into touch it goes. And for the 5th time in their history, the Chiefs are going to the grand final next week with a fully deserved victory over the Hurricanes by 30 to 21.